Hi everyone, Dale Pinkert. It is Monday morning, 4:30 a.m. on the West Coast, and starting off with a look at gold, something I talked about at the top near 1440, and also on that little bounce that we could approach a major breakout at 1375, close enough for government work, still could do it. Looks like we have a little two driver there, but 1380. We're starting to get a little bit of a bounce. Perhaps this is it. Interesting. It looks like an ABC, and there could be another rally to new highs. But that is why when we were at 1440, I said you hold your core position and you take something off the table. If you did so, you had a chance to re-enter $50, $60 lower than that price spike up at 1440. So interesting action in the metal so far on an early Monday morning. What really stands out to me with the decline in the metals is really, even though silver was weaker on the upside, it's really holding better, holding up so much better. Actually looks pretty positive. If you look at the chart here, you could see we had it try to break down under the 15, 17 level. Oh, one, two, three times, and we're back above it. Also, the percentage loss in silver over the last 2 days is marginal compared to what has happened in gold. So the gold silver ratio, take a look at it. I've been talking about that at this ratio in the 90s. We'll be looking back and saying, well, why didn't we take some of our gold and exchange it for silver, as the gold silver ratio could trade back down towards the mean. I remember it trading for many years at 40. That means that the gold silver ratio could be cut in half. So silver actually looks pretty positive to me. We get through 1540, 1580, $16 is possible. And I wanted to wrap today's contribution with something else that was talked about last week was the Dixie, that 95.84 low turned out to be a decent low. So is this it on this bounce to 96.60? It could be. I still think that there's a chance that we rally back up towards 96.80 to 97.20 this week. 96.60 could be enough, a little ABC structure. I think there's a little bit more left to the upside here towards 96.80 or so. I will be looking to short the dollar for a retest of the lows at 95.80. So we have a big week. You know, we had this huge move in S&Ps expecting something good to come out of the G20, and we're getting some tremendous follow through there. So so far the dollar rebound is not affecting it. Almost looks like it's supportive. Also, keep an eye on bonds and rates this week. I think this could be the week that we get some type of turn and troughing in rates. And that's my contribution for today. You can find me on Twitter at Forex Stop Hunter. Remember, don't just count your pips, count your blessings. And I'll see you tomorrow.